Hello dear students, welcome back. This question is from GATE 2001 exam and is for 2 marks. They're asking what will be the output that is printed by this program P1 if call by reference is used. Now you can see this is pseudocode because there is no main function. Moreover, you haven't written the data type of these variables x and y. Okay, so this is obviously pseudocode. Let's analyze this code. So you can assume this program P1 to be the main function. So main function starts from here and goes till here. This is some other function that is defined in the code. Okay. Now x is equal to 10, y is equal to 3. This means you are trying to declare two local variables named x and y. The values that are saved in these variables, they are 10 and 3. Okay. So let me create a partition. So in this area, I'll be writing all of the local variables that are of this function or this program P1. Here I'll be writing all the local variables of this function, that is func1. Okay. Actually, these variables, they will get memory inside the activation records, but this is a simple program, so I'm not showing the activation records stack. Okay. So next line is function1 is called and the variables that are passed as parameters are y, x and x. Okay. In question also, they are saying that call by reference is used. This means you are not actually passing the values of these variables. Their addresses are passed. Okay. So address of y is passed to x. See, whenever a function call is made, control will go to this function. In this function, these are the three local variables that are declared. So x, y and z. X, y and z. These three variables, they are local to this function. So I'm writing them in this area. Okay. Address of y is passed to x. So x will behave kind of like a pointer and it will contain a reference to y. Okay. Address of y is passed to x. Address of x is passed to y. So this y will point to x. Similarly, address of x, that means this memory location's address is passed to z. So z will also contain a reference to this memory location only. Okay. Now because this function call is made, control will go here and this line will be executed. This one. It says y is equal to y plus 4. Which y are we talking about? It is this y. Because this line is written inside function 1. So writing y means the variable which is named y and is local to this function. So all the local variables of this function are here. That means obviously we are talking about this y. Okay. So this y, its value is equal to y plus 4. Okay. But it contains a reference to x. So indirectly you are talking about this memory location only. Okay. See, let us first solve this much. Y plus 4. What is this value of RHS? Y means this memory location because y contains a reference to this memory. So y plus 4 means 14. This 14 has to be saved in y. Okay, 14 has to be saved here, which obviously means 14 will be saved here. So 10 is updated to 14 like this. Okay. In next line, we are saying z is equal to z plus x plus y. So solve this RHS. What is z? Z is 14. Then what is x? See, x is 3. So 14 plus 3. And last one is y. What is y? Y is again 14. Like this. So RHS of this equation is 14 plus 14 is 28, 29, 30, 31. 31. 31 is saved here. What is this? This is z. Z means here. So what is saved here? 31. Like this. Now this one was the last line inside this function fun1. That means control will go back to the next line only. This was the function call. Now you will start executing this one because function call has completely been ended. So start from here. Print x means print this one. So 31 is printed. Print y means print this value 3. So output is 31 then 3. Okay. Now see, whenever this last line was executed, all of these variables, they will be deleted, okay, because these are local variables. Whenever a function call ends, local variables will be immediately deleted, okay, and this is the output. Now output is 31,3, as they have said call by reference is used. If call by value is used, then what will be the answer? Let us see. If call by value is used, answer will be 10,3. This will be answer. 10, 3 will be answer if call by value is used. This is the answer if call by reference is used. See, if call by value is used, we will change the values of these variables only. They will no longer be pointers, okay. They will contain some values, and eventually the program, this function will end and these memory locations will be deleted, and these variables, they will be unaffected if call by value is used, okay. In that case, this is the answer. But for this question, I have already explained that 31,3 will be the answer. Okay, have a good day.